another video. Today, Mom and I are in Nashville because we just went to a concert. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go watch it because it was a amazing concert. But we're on day 2 of our adventure in Nashville, and we found this little place called Benday in, where are we?
I don't know.
It's not technically in Nashville, but it was very close. Basically, it's all these returns and stuff in a bunch of bins. I'm sure you've seen stuff like this before. We're gonna go and see what we can find. Oh, and today's Friday, so it's our restock day, so it should be some good stuff. But you also probably won't see this video if we didn't find anything good.
There's one time we scanned the lightning.
That's my phone. Ooh, root beer. I did, however, find a bath mat that matches our bathroom. Look what I just found. One of my favorite shows, Bluey. And it's Kill It. That's so funny. I want it. I want it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a dumpling, guys. I was actually looking out for Nidos. I was gonna see if I could find anything that said Nido on it. So much stuff to go through. It's also crazy how many things of just like soda they have. Like what? It's $10. 24 for $10? Grab me one, bro. Oh my gosh. That's Mom's ivermectin. Oh. Oh, now they're all gonna explode. These are super cute, but I don't think I want to spend $10 on them. But that's so cute. Oh. Mom literally just found this pet ramp. It's $60. Oh, hello, focus. It's, okay, trust. It's $60 and it's $10 here. Oh my gosh. EJ has these. Hat organizers. I don't know if he would want more though. If I had a kid, I would definitely be buying this bookshelf. That's goes on the floor for them. Guys, I just found some cord hiders. Y'all know our TV looks insane right now because we don't have any cord hiders, but it doesn't say how many feet are in here. So I'm scared it's not going to be enough. I was holding on to this Magna-Towel storage bin just to like keep for whenever we have kids because Magna-Towels are awesome and like this wasn't a good expensive brand. But I didn't find any actual Magna-Towels, so I don't think I want to keep it. The bin's useless without the Magna-Towels. I was just kind of holding on to it to see if I found Magna-Towels. But I didn't, so I'm putting it back. I think Mom might have had more luck than I did today. Yeah. Mom, I think you found the most stuff today. You start running into the same stuff that you've seen over and over and over and over and over and over again. So it gets hard to look through stuff. I spent $32 in total, got a 24 pack of pink slush Alanis, my favorite, the bath mat, and then I got a dumpling, which I'm oddly excited about. Mom ended up spending less than what that pet ramp costed on. Costed? That's not a word. Mom ended up spending less than what the pet ramp cost on Amazon. Oh, my dumpling is open. I know what color it is. Let's just pretend like I don't. Mom's already driving, so you guys might fall. Okay, here's my dumpling. Oh!
Like that's happening. That's so stupid.
Oh, I got a red one. Ugh, it kind of smells. It's weird. I just looked up what a 24 pack of Alanis were at Walmart. It's $60 for a 24 pack. That's insane. I thought I was just gonna be saving like 20, 30 bucks. No, I saved $50. What a deal. And guys, I turned off the camera and then I dropped my dumpling, so it's already dirty. It did not last very long. That was a good find. We had some good steals, good bargains. So hopefully you guys, I just dropped it again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you can see our other videos and upcoming adventures. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Deuces!